Hi art friends, welcome! So are you an artist wondering what is the best way to pack your paintings or sculptures so that they stay safe during that shipping process? Then today's video is for you. By the end of this 5-step how-to video, you're going to have all the information that you'll need to safely, professionally, and inexpensively pack your delicate artwork for shipment nationally or internationally. And I'll also give you the secret to keeping the top of your artwork touch-free in this process. Step 1, remove all outside plastic wrapping materials from your art shipping box. Pick a box which is at least 2 inches bigger on all sides of either your framed or your unframed painting. ArtFloat, MasterPak, and ULine all make these art shipping boxes. And say hello to my wonderful husband Bill, who's helping me today. So in today's video, I'm going to take you step by step how to pack and ship your delicate paintings using an art shipping box. Art shipping boxes are also great for shipping sculptures. Do you want to learn more about art shipping boxes, art transit boxes, plein air transport boxes, and when to use what? I'll show you all about them and compare them to standard cardboard boxes in my last video that I just published called Shipping 101. So I encourage you, if you haven't already watched this video about explaining all the differences and why you'd want to use what, watch that next if you haven't already. Step 2. Open your box and set aside all the inside materials. So you're going to get a top foam piece, a bottom foam piece, a reinforced special cardboard box, and it's got this super hard puncture-proof plastic lining, and then a central scored piece, and that's the piece that you're going to be manipulating and working with. It's got foam that you can cut out, and we'll do that in the next steps. So I have a large 3-foot by 4-foot painting and a small 12 by 16 painting I'm going to be sending to Canyon Row Contemporary Art. The gallery here represents my work, and they're over 1,000 miles away, so shipping is the way to go with this. And I'll demonstrate to you how I'm going to use both the larger and the smaller boxes and how those all work. Step 3, lay your painting inside to test where it's going to fit. And that's kind of important because before you cut out that foam, you're going to want to make sure that the painting's going to fit in there properly. Take that central scored piece of foam and then locate your scored lines. You can tear out or you can cut out the inside so it's going to fit snugly around your painting or your frame edges. Now, a tip here is to make the hole 1 to 2 inches smaller, the foam hole smaller than your artwork, so that the foam is going to fit snugly around either your painting edges or your frame edges if your work is framed. And be sure, if you haven't already, to take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit that subscription bell so you'll not miss out on any tips to help your art career flourish. So I'm a professional full-time artist and I am ready to help you here. So step 4, for framed work or sculptures, you're going to assemble the box with your bottom foam, your framed painting or sculpture, the scored piece, the top foam, and then you'd be ready to go. But for unframed paintings or delicate surface paintings, this is the trick, and do this next. This is the secret to keeping the top of your artwork touch-free in the process. And the secret is to use sticky-sided Velcro. So a tip is, I purchased the sticky-sided Velcro in a long roll, and that saves money. And you're going to be applying your Velcro with the soft side on the back of your artwork. Put the loop side on and then take that plastic off, revealing the sticky side, and that's what's going to adhere to the bottom of your art shipping box. Step 5, carefully set your painting in the bottom of the art shipping box with the sticky side ready to adhere to the box. Press down firmly, and your painting is now Velcroed to the bottom of your shipping box. So the client is just going to wiggle that painting side to side to release it from the box. And a tip is that your client can leave the soft side on the back of your painting, stretcher bars or back of your frame as a wall bumper, or they can just remove it by pulling it off if they don't want to keep it on there. So you're going to tuck the central foam all around. And another tip is that you can add a piece of Velcro if you need to do that. So close up the box and use strapping tape to close all the edges and your corners. I like 3M heavy duty shipping tape in clear. I also use shipping tape in brown. Now it's ready for ground or air shipment through UPS, FedEx, DHL, or whatever shipper you're going to use. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope to see you again soon. So until next time, it's Dena Tollefson, and all my best to you. Bye-bye.